again, and welcome to our look at the upcoming Thursday, October 23rd trading session. In front of you is the economic calendar as per usual, and as we look at it, really the first announcement of any significance will be the German PMI numbers coming out for October. Preliminary number of 49.5. That can have an effect on the DAX, the Euro. The higher the number, I should say, the better the influence of upward pressure in both of those markets will be. Obviously, a miss will also affect them negatively. Retail sales month over month for the month of September come out of the UK, anticipated to lose a tenth of a percent for the month, and with that we could have a very similar type of effect on the FTSE and the British pound. Looking a little later in the day, there isn't much in the way of high-powered announcements. The only other one we're really paying attention to at this point in time is initial jobless claims, anticipated to come out at 282,000, that is. Remember, this is a number that the lower the number, the better for the U.S. economy, and that, of course, could move the stock markets, such as the S&P 500. You can see that during the session here on Wednesday, we did pull back a little bit. We found support at 8,900 as a very supportive sign. We think that more than likely we are going to go above 9,000. Above 9,000, we are most certainly call buyers, because at that point in time we will have broken back into a previous consolidation area. With that, the market should continue to be bullish given enough time, possibly going as high as 10,000, maybe 9,800 in the meantime. Looking at the euro dollar, you can see that we did in fact struggle a bit during the session. We tried to rally and then turned back around to sell off rather significantly. With that being the case, though, we feel that this market will more than likely hinge upon that German number. If we drop from here, we should head down to the 125 level, so we are buyers of puts, not really interested in buying calls. Over in the S&P 500, you can see we have fallen a bit initially during the session, but then turned back around to form a nice looking hammer. Looks like we continue to go higher, and with that, we are most certainly willing to buy calls as we pull back. Perhaps the initial jobless claims number might be the reason to go higher, but any pullback at this point in time would have to be looked at with suspicion. It would have to suggest that perhaps we are going to continue to find buyers below, as we think the market has broken back into the previous consolidation area. With that, we are bullish. And with those markets, we have taken a look at the Thursday, October 23rd trading session.